Welcome to Galle Fort, located on the southern coast of Sri Lanka. This vibrant UNESCO World Heritage site is filled with charming streets, historic buildings, and stunning ocean views. Let's explore its rich history and unique beauty together. Historic landmark Galle Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was built in the 16th century by the Portuguese and later fortified by the Dutch in the 17th century. It showcases colonial architecture and cultural fusion. Unique architecture. Visitors can explore cobblestone streets lined with Dutch-style buildings, old churches, and remnants of the colonial era. The blend of European and South Asian styles is remarkable. Panoramic views. The fort's massive walls offer stunning views of the Indian Ocean, making it a favorite spot for sunset photography. Cultural hub. Inside the fort, you will find art galleries, boutiques, and cafes that provide insight into the local lifestyle and creativity. Lighthouse. The iconic gold lighthouse, built in 1848, is the oldest light station in Sri Lanka and a must-visit for its picturesque setting. Historical churches. Stroll through the historic Dutch Reformed Church and All Saints Church to admire their architecture and heritage. The Maritime Museum in Galle, located within the historic Galle Fort, showcases the country's rich maritime heritage through exhibits of ancient shipwrecks, traditional fishing techniques, marine biodiversity, and artifacts that highlight centuries of trade, exploration, and cultural exchange along the Indian Ocean. Walking tours. Guided walking tours provide historical context and uncover hidden stories of the fort, enhancing the visitor experience. Shopping. Tourists can shop for souvenirs, handcrafted jewelry, and traditional Sri Lankan items in charming local stores. Dining experience. The fort is home to numerous restaurants serving local and international cuisine, offering everything from seafood to fusion dishes. Access and location. Galle Fort is conveniently located in the southern province of Sri Lanka, easily accessible by train, bus, or car from Colombo.